What's up, guys? It's been a while since I last vlogged. So the past 3 days or past 2 days I've been going to San Diego. So I'm about to show you in a little bit, but I bought this new snorkel face mask. It's a snorkel mask that goes over your whole face. You don't need to put anything in your mouth. You can just breathe when you're snorkeling. So I was gonna go to San Diego to go snorkeling because this is the last weekend I can do anything, because the next couple weeks or months or whatever I'm gonna be working 7 days a week. So I won't have any time to do anything. Plus it's gonna get a little colder. Well, we're in a friggin' heat wave right now. I'll explain that in a few minutes. But it's gonna be getting a little colder. Won't be able to go to San Diego when the water's warm. So I won't be able to snorkel. So I ordered it on like Thursday. It got delivered by Amazon on Saturday. So I was gonna go on Saturday, but it didn't get here in time. And we booked a movie in San Diego because San Diego movie theaters opened back up. We booked a movie and I had to leave, and it got delivered after I left. So I wasn't able to go swimming or snorkeling then. Then yesterday, we was gonna go to Harry's coffee shop, the best breakfast in the world. This is not a plug, this is just my review. The best breakfast in the world, La Jolla, Harry's coffee shop. Go there if you're ever in San Diego. So we're gonna wake up early, go to Harry's coffee shop, and then go snorkeling at the beach, and then go to another movie. So we ended up getting up a little too late. It's about an hour and a half drive to San Diego. Ended up getting up a little too late. We didn't have time to go to eat breakfast, go to the beach, and go to the movies. So we just ate breakfast, got to the movies at like 2, and I was gonna go after, but it was getting a little late, so we didn't end up going. So today I woke up extra early, and I'm about to go to San Diego, go swim with the fishes, find some sharks, because right now supposedly leopard sharks are all in San Diego right now, swimming near the shallow waters. You can find them between June and September in La Jolla. I'm going to show you a few renovations we've been doing. The backyard isn't really, you can't see me right now. The backyard isn't really updated right now. We've only done a few things. The pool is still here, obviously, and all they did was level out a little bit more of the ground. It's all level now, and they cleaned up this area. Cleaned up all the stuff right here. So we're waiting to get this level finished off. The bricks are coming next week to finish the wall, and I'm going to flatten up that. Also, finish the RV ramp right here. So there's a gate that opens up, and the RV ramp has now been dug wider, so the RV can actually fit here. And I'll show you the front yard. The front yard is basically finished. Probably just gonna put some flowers or something like that in the front. So yeah, basically the front yard is done. Here it is. She actually did a really good job. We got some like solar lights right here. Just probably put some more flowers and stuff, and then it'll be completely done. But I'm gonna go to San Diego, so let's hit the road. It's hot today. Oh yeah, like I was saying, heat wave. Yesterday it was here where I live. It was 115. San Diego, where it never ever gets over 100. It was like 100 and something, 95 mostly everywhere. And also there's a fire burning in San Diego right now, a forest fire. And it has burned like 150,000 acres or something like that, some crazy number. So actually this morning ash was falling from the sky. I had ash all over my car, and it smells like smoke outside, and the sun is like covered. The smoke is covering the sun, so the sun's like really orange. But whatever. The air is probably unhealthy, but we're gonna go swimming anyways. So guys, I just got to La Jolla. The parking was terrible. There's so many people here. I don't know how there's so many people. So this is La Jolla Cove. And I told you. Maybe way in the corner over there. I don't know. I gotta go down and find out. I told you it's high tide, so the beach is like limited. And there's all the people snorkeling. There's all your kayaks over there. People kayaking them, swimming them. Here's all the snorkels. Alright, we'll find a spot. Tired, but I found a nice little spot right here. Found a nice little spot right here, sitting on my towel. But yeah, that's snorkeling. They get you tired fast. I'm just sitting here. I'm probably not going in anymore. But I had a dope thing. So there's a seal. The seals are right here. There's a bunch of seals right there, and there was like 2 swimming in there, doing a bunch of doing a bunch of tricks and flips and turns and everything. And I was probably right about there, and the seal was probably right about here. So I went under and I swam right over here, and the seal was doing a bunch of tricks and doing a bunch of flips, and I seen him, and I had my GoPro hooked up, and I was swimming with him. That was like once in a lifetime. You don't really swim with a seal. So I was swimming with a seal, and it was doing a bunch of flips and tricks, and it came swimming right at me, and I thought it was gonna bite me. So I like moved out the way, and then right at the last second, it like opened its mouth like it was gonna bite me, and then it turned. And the whole time I was recording with my GoPro, but I had it set to time lapse, so I didn't record it. I'm so pissed. But yeah, that was really cool. This is one of the best snorkeling places to come in San Diego. Also over there where I'm gonna go, hopefully there's some sharks over there, some leopard sharks. That's La Jolla Shores Beach right there. That's like the tennis courts around there, with the big mansion right there. And the Marine Room restaurant is right there. So usually there's some sharks around there. This is the time of month, September, that they're here, and then they leave like the end of September, early October. I'm also about to go in that cave right there when a couple more people leave. But yeah, the water's really cold because the sun is not out right now. I got this cool mask. Cool snorkel face mask. So basically you don't have to put anything in your mouth, you just breathe normally and it works. You can dive under in the water, and the water doesn't get in. It has like this thing inside here where the water doesn't get in. So it's pretty dope, and you can hook the GoPro right up to that. So it's definitely worth it if you do a lot of snorkeling. If you're going on vacation or something, definitely get one of those snorkel face masks. It was only about like 50 bucks. Came with a little case and everything, so definitely worth it. Yeah, I'm gonna head in that cave. So I'm about to go inside this cave real quick.
You're not gonna leave me? Come on, Daddy. I can't. I can't.
It's pretty dope.
You should have piggybacked me to there. Jimmy, she can do the rest on her own.
Waves come splash in here. Oh, that's a little cool.
Be careful. Here, hey, go over here. Hurry, I want to take a picture. I don't see it. It's right there. It's right there. Then stand with the kids right there. Hurry.
Sea creature.
Stand over here. I'm not going to
What is, where?
Yeah, Anthony.
Oh, maybe a crab? It's a crab or some shit. I think so. Seals right here.
All kayaks must head east towards the beach, past the white buoys. Thank you.
We made it. We made it. Look at these fucking things. Ow, my fucking toe. Don't bite me, seal. This is the closest I've ever gotten to a seal before. Alright, this time we go to the marina. Let's go see if we can find some sharks. Alright guys, I just parked. I'm in La Jolla, still. I'm in the very, like, really wealthy area part of La Jolla. But I'm walking down just a really fancy restaurant right on the water. That's usually where the sharks are, or around this area in front of like the tennis club. But wait till you see this mansion right here. It's right there, but you can't see it from the road because it's all covered in hedges and big bushes. So check this out. In that mansion, let's get a closer look.
It's crazy. They're literally everywhere. They're everywhere. Is this how you had to hear me in the street? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I think they're eating something. Or something like that. Oh yeah. Alright, look at that.
Shark. sharks. Did you see them, guys? I found them, finally found them. I tried like 2 years ago and I couldn't find them, but I found them. Those little things floating in the water that look like sharks, little tiny small sharks. They're leopard sharks, but I finally found them. There was like at least 50 of them. I don't know, count how many, pause the video and count how many you've seen. Getting ready to go to the movies to see Unhinged, and then go home. So I'll let you know how that movie is. I really don't know what it's about, but finally found sharks.